Ever wished you could create a document right from within your cloud storage, saving you countless clicks and endless searching? In this quick tutorial, we're diving into the essential skill of creating new files directly inside your Dropbox. This isn't just about making a file. It's about streamlining your entire digital workflow and keeping everything perfectly organized, all in one accessible place. Let's get started by finding that magic button. Once you're logged into your Dropbox account on the web, look for the colorful Create button, usually located at the top of your screen. Click on it, and a menu will pop up with various options. For this demonstration, let's choose Document. This will instantly open a new, blank document editor right within your browser. Powered by Dropbox, no need to download or switch between apps. Go ahead and start typing your content just like any word processor. You can add text, format it, and even collaborate if you choose, and don't forget to give your file a clear, descriptive name. You'll see the option to rename it at the top, making it easy to find later. Once you're done, simply close the Document tab. Your newly created file is automatically saved and instantly available within your Dropbox folder. See, it's right there, ready for you. But Dropbox creation isn't just for documents. Click that Create button again. You can also generate new spreadsheets, presentations, and even create new folders to keep your rising collection of files tidy. By mastering this fundamental skill, you're not just creating files. You're actively organizing your digital workspace from the start. Keep your projects, ideas, and documents in one secure, accessible location, ready for you whenever and wherever you work. Start organizing effortlessly today.